Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. I hope you all are doing fine and great this month. So here we are now back. I'm now back with this July reading, July 2020 reading for you. So let's see what the card says for you. Here comes the first card. So this is Nine of Pentacles, and this card says it's such a wonderful card that talks about an achievement that whatever the amount of hard work that you have done is going to reap you benefits this month. So it's like an end of its cycle, in end of a particular cycle. If you are looking for some matches also, if you are looking for some getting into a relationship again, so this month is going to give you good results on this. Okay, and this is a card that says, yeah, your achievements are, or your hard work is being rewarded, or you will be gaining you will be gaining few achievements this month. So it's just quite a very positive card when we talks about finances also, where we see something good benefits coming up from the finances. So on and on, like it's such a wonderful card overall. With every aspect, it tells you an achievement. It tells you, it gives you security, it gives you joy, also security of possessing something, security of having something with you. So that kind of achievement or that kind of joy you will be facing from this card. Coming to the second card, Page of Wands. So Wands mostly talks about work related. They are more energetic suits of tarot. So they are quite related with the career, with the work, inspiration, motivation, and all these things. So and in this month, let me tell you, you have two Wand cards. Okay, so we have the second card is Page of Wands, and the third card is Knight of Wands. Right, so these two cards together, if we read them together, then I am seeing a person coming into your life who is going to advise you on your career, friend. A person who carries more of energy, more of excitement, cheerfulness, or it can be you also, you representing like more of a Page of Hand person who is very cheerful, who is very excited about the work, or or adventurous as well. So here you may not hesitate trying out some new things, and the month also favors you. I mean, the tarot also favors you to try something new, some new perspectives, and experiment with them. If you are seeking for some achievement, if you are seeking to come to make things happen, so this is a right time where you can invest your ideas. Though this card says that you are still experimenting, okay, and unless and until you experiment, or we experiment, we will not be knowing what is right and what is wrong, isn't it? So it's a time that is giving you an opportunity to experiment your hypothetical ideas. So at the same time, Knight of Wands is gifted with a vision. It's so much of an Aryan card, which is gifted with a vision to succeed, like Aries who always envision things to the end, right? So this is how the Knight of Wands energy is going to support you this month. And it is also like moving to the next level now, because we have already seen in our first card, which is Nine of Pentacles, that talks about an achievement. So the next preceding cards is talking to you, is conveying you that there will be an upheaval in your career. Next movement or next achievement, you will be, next advancement in your career or in your life. So these cards tells you about that. Okay, at the same time, I also see there is going to be a travel. There is a travel suspected. If required, you may travel can be physical travel also, like you may have to travel to places, to some other place with regard to work, or it can be, shifting from one project to another project, or shifting our mindset also, from particular perspective to another perspective. So all these kind of shifting energies are going to support you. So there is lot of excitement, lot of energy that the month is bringing to you. And overall, Aries have known for their energy levels, high energy levels. Okay, so this month is going to support you, bring you a lot of energy. And then we coming to our energy level cards. While talking to the energies, we have this yin yang card. Okay, so as I said already, Aries are known for their energies. They carry lot of energy, lot of excitement also. When we are in a group, you see a person who is overexcited is nobody, no one but an Arian. Okay, so that way you can easily find an Aries person. Something always goes on. They envision things like anything, something, planning will always be there in their mind. So this is more of a fiery, no, Aries carry that fiery attitude also. Yes, challenge them, and I bet you will leave. They win the challenge. Okay, so that is how the Arians are. And this card, the energy card, says that your energies need to be balanced this month, because I'm seeing so much fiery energy coming into your life this month. This require lot of movement. This no this is taking bringing so much of adventurous things, asking you to do so many adventurous things in your life, taking yeah, bringing so much of energy, courage, or making you to do things to the extreme. But at the same time, the energy card says that you need to balance it also, because bringing so much energy is also not good at the same time, isn't it? You may end up taking so much, being adventurous is nothing but so much extreme adventure, doing things like hasty decisions, uh, when you are in taking, when you are uh, in an adventurous mood, then probably you may be getting into a hasty decision also. So this card wants you to calm down your pace, reduce your pace, and then think about the other side as well. So this yin yang card tells you to balance your energies, not to get carried away with so much excitement, with so much experimenting mode. Okay, so Arian, you need to be little careful about this thing this month. Otherwise the month is very good, very it's like, if you want to experiment something, this month is going to support you, but with balanced energies. Do it with the balanced energies. Okay, and the achievement is also on the card. So the month is quite positive for you. July month, July 2020 is going to be positive again. And coming to our universal message for you, Aries, is, let me read this. My happiness is a direct reflection of my level of faith in the universe. Yeah, I hope you got this. Okay, it's saying that, is how you believe the universe, your level of faith in the universe talks about your happiness. So that's universal message for you, Aries. With this, I wind up for the July month reading. I see you again next month. Till then, take care, have a great time.